Yes, sir, ma'am. Are you audible?
Yes. Any question, guys?
No.
Okay.
No.
So shall I start?
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So what the topic I have
Yes, ma'am.
chosen for you guys? Let's see. Okay, guys. So before starting this session, let me introduce myself because already some students know me, but for some, I am completely the new face. So hi guys, I'm Komal Gupta from Delhi, and I am the Master Communication Coach at IDQ. And today I'm going to take your vocab session. Okay. So today we are going to discuss the beautiful words. The beautiful words today we are going to discuss. Okay. So don't think so. These are the beautiful. Okay. Once you just see this topic, so immediately what is coming into your mind? Kunal, what is coming into your mind after seeing the most beautiful words?
Flower, ma'am.
Flower. Acha, for you it's a flower. Okay, okay, okay. Yes, Mona. What is
Mountain,
coming?
ma'am.
Sorry?
Mountain.
Mountains. Okay, very nice. Varun?
No idea, ma'am.
अरे लाइफ में ब्यूटी नहीं है हाँ वरुण
Yeah.
विनय
So, according to me, loved ones,
लव
we
ओके 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 वेरी नाइस प्रशांत
River.
river okay okay so basically you are more towards the nature so beautiful words means I was thinking I was expecting that someone will told ki beautiful words means that is related to with our beauty products no my dear students that is completely different so beautiful words means there are so many things which we can relate with beauty as Prashant Muna told the nature mountains rivers so nature yes nature the second thing is smile. Smile. So beautiful smile. So we always say the beautiful smile. Any more inputs are coming? Personality. Personality also comes. Someone you love to listen, someone you really want to meet with some personality. Why? Because that personality is beautiful, or you can say that his personality is attractive. Okay. Any more inputs are coming into your mind? Knowledge. Knowledge is also beautiful, guys. Why you are love to listen Modi ji? Why? Because he is a great attractive orator. Okay, so it means he's a very beautiful orator. Beautiful doesn't mean only the physical appearance, guys. Whenever I heard this word beautiful, beautiful means the physical appearance. Fair color, tall, height, and these are the things are coming into our mind. No. Beauty can be intrinsic also, beauty can be extrinsic also. So today we are going to learn some beautiful words so that we can make our communication more
Impressive.
beautiful. Yes, impressive. Yes, impressive, more beautiful. Okay, so let's start. It's stuck sometimes. Okay, let me share again. Okay, so this is not, okay. The first word is, yes, Prashant, can you pronounce this word?
Uh, my skin is not
Acha,
little
screen is,
blurred.
okay, can anyone pronounce this word that is written in the yellow color?
Enchanting, ma'am.
Enchanting,
ma'am.
enchanting, enchanting. This is very beautiful word, enchanting. Because sometimes now we always use one common word that is called the beautiful. So in today's session, we will learn what are the so many alternative ways to say the beautiful. So there, the first word is enchanting. Enchanting का मतलब होता है the something, it is used for something that is calm, magical and attractive. Okay, I have written this thing where you have to use this word enchanting. This word is used for the beauty, for the atmosphere, for the smiles, for the stories, for nature. Whenever you have to describe any beauty that is magical, atmosphere that is very calm, smile, very attractive, the story, the way he or she narrated the story in a very magical way. So you can say ki he or she narrated the story in an enchanting way. The nature, so that is called the enchanting. So there are the sentences I have written. India is an enchanting country where I wish to spend my whole life. Very beautiful sentence, my dear students. India is an enchanting country,
Yeah,
right? Where I wish to spend my whole life.
one life.
Instead, if you don't know this word enchanting, so what the word you can use in here? India is a beautiful country. You can
Beautiful
say.
country. Yeah, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I have the question. This word only can use for country or city or nature or
Countries, Prashant, I have written this word is used for the beauty, for the atmosphere, for the smile, for the
okay.
smile. Suppose I'm saying Varun has an enchanting smile. So instead of saying Varun has a beautiful smile, what I can say, Varun has an enchanting smile. Because E se start hua hai, E is a vowel, and before vowel you have to put an. Okay?
Yeah.
Got it.
Because beautiful can be used in a very different ways, but every word has an appropriate meaning. So in this, enchanting you can use in all these areas.
So
The
this is a
music.
this is the synonymous of the beautiful word.
Yes, these are, you cannot say the synonyms, they are the different. Dekho, beautiful can be used in the varieties,
Okay.
in the various areas. But if you are talking about the country, if you are talking about the music, so instead of saying the music was beautiful, that doesn't sound look good.
Right.
Okay, so then you can say the music was enchanting. Enchanting means that gives you relaxation.
Got it.
Okay, sometimes you are in a very stress and you start listening the music, so that gives you
Enchanting.
enchanting. Okay, magical, relax, attractive. So in this scenario, you have to use the enchanting.
Got it. Yeah.
Today's weather is enchanting. So it means today weather is very magical, very attractive. But always we say today's weather is pleasant.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so you can use enchanting word. You can use this enchanting word.
Ma'am, can I speak? Narendra Modi has an enchanting personality.
ये देखो अब मोना यहाँ पर अभी मैं आती हूँ देखो enchanting personality you can use but I have a very beautiful word for
Okay.
this personality because personality is different, nature is different. ठीक है, nature whenever you listen this word nature, mountains, rivers, countries, cities,
Yeah.
weather, these all comes under nature. So whenever you have to beautify all these areas, so you have to use the adjective. This is an adjective. You have to use this adjective enchanting. For the personality, there is a different adjective, which the meaning is same, beautiful. Are you getting, Muna?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now another example. Mr. K.K. Mandal sir had an enchanting knowledge on communication skills and organized personality. Enchanting knowledge. Knowledge, if you are talking about the knowledge kaisi, very attractive knowledge. Matlab, you are just start attracting towards that knowledge. So then you can say enchanting knowledge.
Enchanting.
Don't say beautiful knowledge. Mr. K.K. Mandal sir had beautiful knowledge. No, it doesn't look good. So enchanting. Okay.
Yep.
He had an enchanting smile. He had an enchanting smile. So these are the very beautiful words. Guys, beautiful का मतलब यहाँ पर सिर्फ ये नहीं है कि सुंदर. Beautiful का मतलब होता है how to make your communication more enchanting. How to make your communication more beautiful. How to make your communication more impressive. That is the topic, beautiful words. यहाँ पर beautiful का मतलब don't get confused. कि ब्यूटीफुल का मतलब सुंदर, ब्यूटीफुल का मतलब है यहाँ पर इफ यू यूज दीज ब्यूटीफुल वर्ड्स इनटू योर डेली कम्युनिकेशन यू कैन बी अ good and effective speaker. Okay, so I really appreciate, guys, if you can make one sentence of enchanting. You can write in the chat box also, or you can speak. Enchanting. Used with these areas: beauty, atmosphere, smiles, stories, nature, rivers,
Ma'am,
mountains. Yes.
uh, the atmosphere around Himalaya is very enchanting.
The atmosphere around Himalayas is very enchanting. Okay, very nice, very nice. Is enchanting. Smrita, don't use this word very.
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
Enchanting
only.
itself is very attractive, very
Okay, ma'am.
magical.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
but very nice sentence. Okay, any more sentences?
Ma'am,
Yes.
a nightingale has an enchanting voice.
Very nice, very nice. Great, 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 great. Next.
Himachal,
Yes.
carry on, carry on.
Yes, Vinay.
Yeah. Yesterday I read an enchanting story.
Yesterday I
Read an enchanting story.
Okay, yesterday I read an enchanting story. Okay, very magical story. Okay, okay.
Yes.
अगर विनय इसको ऐसे बोलना हो कि कल उसने मुझे एक मैजिकल स्टोरी सुनाई तो इसको कैसे बोलेंगे?
Yes. Yesterday she told me an enchanting story.
हाँ, but विनय whenever you are talking about the story, तो story के साथ don't use told, you have to use one good verb that is called narrated.
Narrated.
Okay, yesterday he or she narrated an enchanting story. Okay,
Right.
wonderful, wonderful. Yes, Prashant?
Himachal has enchanting environment.
Himachal has an enchanting environment. View. You can also say view.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay,
Varun?
Hrithik Roshan looking is enchanting.
Hrithik Roshan? Roshan.
Looking,
Huh?
yeah, man. Looking is enchanting.
Hrithik Roshan's
Has
looks,
Look,
bolo, looks are
looks,
enchanting, or Hrithik Roshan's looks are enchanting.
Roshan
हाँ
सिंगल पर्सन है ना, तो
नहीं,
आर यूज
ऋतिक रोशन के लिए apostrophe s, apostrophe s. Okay,
ओके
okay, okay,
या मैम
okay. Enchanting. Okay, guys, you can note this word.
Ma'am, India has many enchanting places.
India has
Many
हाँ
enchanting places.
नहीं many लगा दिया ना, तो India has many enchanting places. Then you cannot use an.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay, so this is clear. Okay, now, yes, read it. Prashant, pronounce this word.
still ma'am, same problem.
Same problem. Smrita,
I have
Ma'am, I will try. Effervescent.
effervescent, 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 effervescent,
Effervescent.
effervescent. Dear, someone has logged in with the mobile number 8109344497. Dear, what is your name?
Ma'am, Sikha.
Shikha. Okay, Shikha, I'm just renaming you, dear. Otherwise, it. Okay, now let's see the meaning. Yes, it is used for someone or something that is active, positive, full of energy. Now, Mona, this is a word. Hi, Eddie, ready? Good to see you after a long time.
Oh, good evening, ma'am.
Good
Hi,
evening,
ma'am.
sir. Good evening. Okay, so now it is used for the personality. It is used now, Mona. This word is basically used for the personality. So
Yes,
whenever you are talking about the personality, he has a beautiful personality. He has a very attractive personality. So then you can use this beautiful word that is called the effervescent. So effervescent means a personality which is very active, full of energy, very positive. So then we have to use this beautiful word effervescent.
So, no.
Effervescent.
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 Effervescent. Okay. See this example. I would always love to have an effervescent person which could help me to be liked by others.
So,
Okay. Again, it is an adjective. Again, it is an adjective. So that's why it is used for someone or something. It is an adjective. Modi ji, whenever I heard this word effervescent. So guys, अब question आता है कि how to retain this word into our mind. Because after this session, tomorrow is a Sunday, you will forget. So always visualize. Guys, I always say this thing कि always visualize. So effervescent means very strong, very full, very powerful personality, मतलब full of energy. So I always keep Mr. Modi into my mind. Okay, so Mr. Modi ji has an effervescent personality. Effervescent personalities. Always keep Mr. Modi into your mind. Maybe this is for me, maybe for you, the person is different. But Mr. Modi ji is a renowned personality. Everyone can relate. So that's why I always take this example. Effervescent, full of energy, very active, positive. Okay, so personality. Whenever you are talking about the personality, so then the appropriate word is effervescent.
Effervescent.
Sometimes you can use the enchanting. He or she has an enchanting personality. That is also okay. I'm not denying that this word is wrong. But if you're talking about the personality, the more appropriate adjective is effervescent. Parneet, this is clear? Let's see
Yes,
some.
ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Read it. Parneet, read it. Hi, Indu.
Yes, hello ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening to you. Yes, Parneet, read it. I have written very simple sentences. You can easily relate these sentences.
He is known for his effervescent laughter.
Yes, he is known for his effervescent laughter. मतलब जो एकदम खुल के हंसता है, full of energy. That is the effervescent. The party, this is effervescent word is also used for the party, for the celebrations. The party had an effervescent vibes. मतलब ऐसी party जिसमें जो full of energy है, positive environment है. So the party had an effervescent vibe, full of dancing and singing. The teacher's effervescent energy made the boring session to actually fun. Okay, so whenever you are thinking about the full of energy, positivity, then you can use this word effervescent. 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 Indu, can you make any sentence, Indu?
He is an effervescent person. We can use an effervescent.
An effervescent. Yes, yes, yes. Because E, it's a vowel. It's an adjective. So it's a vowel. So then you can use an.
We should have an effervescent personality to crack SSC.
He should have an effervescent personality to crack
SSC.
To crack SSC. Okay, so do you really think so? For cracking the SSC, the person should have this attractive and the positive personality?
Yes, ma'am. Because
okay, if you think so, so definitely your sentence is right.
Yeah, 28 jobs are there, so we should have that much hard work.
Yes, so very nice, very nice. If you want to become a CEO of a company, so you should have
effervescent personality.
An effervescent personality.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that is a effervescent. Kunal, any sentence from your end? Okay, so guys, you got the difference between the enchanting and effervescent? Yes, ready.
You given today you given an effervescent class, ma'am.
Today you
are given. You are given, ma'am.
You are given.
You have given.
अभी तो मैं दे रही हूँ ना. अभी तो still it is in a continuous process.
You are given.
Yeah. So it should be removed that auxiliary verb means it's
So
correct,
then you can say that today's session is effervescent.
हाँ
Today's session is effort. देखो guys, simple सा है logic. Instead of saying today's session is full of energy, today's session is positive. We can simply say today's session is full of energy, but I don't want to use this word full of energy. So what I can use, today's session is effervescent.
effervescent.
Today's
Yeah,
session
yeah,
is effervescent.
This session is effervescent.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Mahendra Singh Dhoni is an effervescent batsman of
Very good.
Indian team.
Yes, 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 yes. Very nice.
Ma'am, Subhash sir is a effervescent personality.
Effervescent, effervescent.
Effervescent
Yes,
personality.
yes, yes, yes. Very nice, very nice. Effervescent.
So
Okay.
may I?
Yes, yes, Vinay.
I always want to be in the company of effervescent people.
I want always to be in a company of effervescent people. Very nice, very nice, very nice, Vinay. So full of energy, full of powerful people, you want to be there. Effervescent.
We should have the effervescent party.
We should have
Effervescent party.
We should have an effervescent party. Why?
Energetic party. Full on dance. I'm just making the sentence. Nothing serious.
Prashant, so then you can say the party should be always an effervescent. The party should always be an effervescent.
The party should be.
The party should always be an effervescent. Got it?
Got it.
Okay. Yes. Shikha, can you pronounce this word?
Indelible.
Indelible. Indelible. Indelible. Indelible. Have you heard this word before? Indelible?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Indelible.
Indelible means which is unforgettable. You can never forget, like that.
Yes, which is unforgettable. Now,
ma'am.
how indelible means the something that cannot be removed, that it's impossible to forget. So indelible memories. Indelible memories. The memories are in the childhood, we had some memories which are impossible to forget. Varun is saying, I have so many girlfriends, or girlfriends ka jo memories hai, ma'am, I cannot forget. So what the Varun can make the sentence, the memories of my girlfriends are indelible for me.
Indelible.
Okay, the which you cannot forget, which you cannot forget, which you cannot remove. That is also indelible. Indelible.
Indelible.
My father's contribution to shape up my life is indelible.
Indelible.
Ma'am, you will provide PDF also, right?
Yes, yes, dear. I will
Thank
provide.
you.
My father's contribution to shape up my life is indelible. So, जो parents का जो contribution होता है, that is indelible.
Yes.
We cannot forget. We cannot forget their contribution. His teachings had an indelible impact on my life.
My life.
Again, it is an adjective. Indelible is also an adjective, guys. And it is I, so that's why we have to put an. His teachings had an indelible impact. Indelible impact. Guys, see, you have to learn the words which is coming after this word also, so that it would be easier to frame the sentences. जैसे indelible, अगर आप इसके बाद if you want to use any noun, तो what the noun can you use? Impact. कैसा impact? Which we cannot forget. Indelible impact. ये तो हो गया indelible impact, और the first sentence में तो indelible का means हो गया which you cannot forget. But इसमें यहाँ पर एक word और भी दे रखा है guys, something that cannot be removed, जिसको हटाया नहीं जा सकता. So I have written one sentence also. The tattoo was meant to be an indelible symbol of their friendship. Okay, so indelible. The tattoo was meant to be an indelible symbol. ऐसा symbol जिसको हम remove नहीं कर सकते.
नहीं कर सकते.
Indelible. Got it? Kunal, Mona, Anupam, R.K. Prem Singh, Del. Are you guys getting this concept?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
अब क्वेश्चन आता है कि मैम ये इंडेलिबल वर्ड जो है ना, वी हैवंट हर्ड दिस वर्ड बिफोर, सो डेफिनेटली मैम वी विल फॉरगेट दिस वर्ड. सो गाइस, इन दिस केस ना, आई हैव यूज्ड द निमोनिक टेक्निक. नाउ सी हाउ टू रिटेन इनटू दिस वर्ड इनटू योर माइंड.
In
In
delete,
deletable.
Able.
इसी वर्ड को आई हैव डिवाइडेड इनटू 3 वर्ड्स. इन
delete,
del means delete. हम बेसिकली del वर्ड ही यूज करते हैं ना delete के लिए.
Indelible.
Deletable. It means we
Indelible.
are not able to delete.
Indelible.
yes.
We are not able to delete.
Delete.
Wow.
So that's why this is a mnemonic technique, guys.
Indelible.
Even I will let you know what is this mnemonic technique after this. It is very easy technique so that you can retain these words into your mind. Indelible, indeletable. It means you are not able to delete anything.
Indelible.
Delete in the sense you are not able to forget anything. Forget anything.
Yeah, ma'am.
My childhood memories are indelible. My childhood memories are indelible. The trip to the mountains left an indelible on my heart. Indelible.
Indelible.
Yes. Shikha,
Indelible.
Shikha, Parneet, dear, give me one sentence. Prashant, one sentence. Although everyone can make, but I would like to listen from them first.
Indelible.
Yes, Parneet.
I had a lot of
Memories.
moments in my past life which are indelible.
Very good, very good, very good, Parneet. Excellent. Shikha.
Ma'am, 15th August 1947 is an indelible date of every Indians.
Okay, very nice, very nice. Excellent. Very nice. Yes, Prashant, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Prashant.
I'm still figuring outing. Just give me
Prashant,
some
just
time.
try to relate with your office or your personal
Yeah.
life. Then you can easily make the sentence. And try to be from simple to complex. Okay, just think. Okay.
My birthday,
Huh.
my birthday is indelible day.
My birthday is indelible for me. My birthday celebration. ऐसा कौन सा birthday बनाया था प्रशांत तुमने? हाँ?
I'm just
You are just making the sentences. Okay, sentence. Okay.
yeah.
My birthday celebration. My birthday celebration.
My birthday celebration.
Celebration is
Okay, my birthday celebration.
celebration. Smrita.
Ma'am, giving birth to my first child was indelible moment for me.
Very nice. Very nice. Excellent. Excellent sentence. Guys, देखो, always try to relate these sentences with your personal life, either the profession or your personal life. I used an indelible marker to write the label. Very nice, very nice.
Ma'am, indelible ink is used in every election.
Yes, very good, very good.
May I speak, ma'am?
Yes, please.
To meet all coaches in Delhi meeting, that was indelible moment for
Indelible
me.
for me. Excellent, excellent, Indu. And vice versa, Indu. Okay, yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Varun,
Yeah, ma'am. Previous bank staff are indelible, ma'am.
previous?
My previous bank employees are indelible, ma'am.
Okay, 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 okay. Very nice, very nice.
Is it correct, ma'am?
हाँ, बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल, वरुण. अगर very nice बोल दिया तो correct है, वरुण. Wrong पे very nice थोड़ी
May
बोल.
I? May
Yes,
I?
yes, yes, Vinay, please.
Yeah. That day when I delivered my first public speech was indelible for me.
Very nice, very nice, very nice. Very wonderful sentence Vinay has made, guys, because this sentence Vinay can easily relate. My first speech, and definitely, guys, जो first speech होता है ना, that was indelible.
Yeah,
When
ma'am.
you receive any first award, when you receive any first appreciation from your boss, so that was indelible. That was indelible. So indelible can be used in both the ways. That cannot be forget or that cannot be removed. Mona, any sentence from your end, dear?
My son's 15th birthday celebration was indelible.
Indelible. Very good, very good, very good. Now, Shika, pronounce this word.
Savvy, savvy,
Hmm.
Savi.
Savi, savi, savi,
savvy,
savi, savi,
savvy,
savvy,
savvy.
savvy, savvy, savvy. Savvy, it's a very, very good word, guys. And I know many of you already heard this word. Good practical understanding, smart, common sense, that is called the savvy. That is called the savvy. When you have the good understanding, you are very smart, you are skilled. देखो savvy word जो आया है वो कैसे आया है? Smart, aware, versatile. Okay. I don't know what is VY, but I know the three words. Okay. So when you are very smart, when you have a very good practical knowledge, when you are very skilled, when you are very aware. So for that personality, we have to use this beautiful word savvy. Okay. We always say you are techno savvy. We always say this word, you are techno savvy. बोलते हो, have you used this word? You are techno savvy. What does it mean, techno savvy? What does it mean? Are you techno savvy? We use many times this word techno savvy. What does it mean, techno savvy? Any idea?
I have no idea. I have no idea.
Prashant, never ever use this word techno savvy.
No.
Are you in the IT sector?
Yes.
You are in that IT sector.
Yes.
So Prashant, definitely you have to use this word, dear. This is very matlab, common word, techno savvy. Okay, I think Vinay knows this word.
Yes,
Vinay?
who understand the technology very
Yes, who
beautifully.
understands the technology in a very better way.
Yes, yes.
Who are very skilled in that. Are
Yes.
you techno savvy? हम बोल देते हैं ना, ma'am, I don't know how to use this technology.
Yes.
So why we are saying I don't know how to use this technology? I can simply say, ma'am, I'm not a techno savvy. I am not a techno savvy. It means I don't have the knowledge. I don't have the good understanding of this technology. Okay, so savvy. Savvy का मतलब होता है good understanding. Nowadays, we are all on the social media, so we can, if you are very good in social media, so then you can use, he is a social media savvy, or I am a social media savvy. Social media. Suppose you are very good in social media, you know how to upload the videos, you know how to do the filters, you know how to add the music. Okay, so then it means you are a social media savvy. Social media savvy.
Ma'am, she's a savvy teacher. She's a savvy teacher.
Yes, you can also say if she's a very good practical understanding, she's very smart, she has a very good sense. So then you can say she's a savvy teacher.
Okay, sounds
Simple सा मतलब है इंदु. Savvy का मतलब होता है that is smart, that is skilled, that is aware, that has a good understanding. So that person is a savvy. Again, it is an adjective, guys. Savvy. Okay, so he's a social media savvy. It means he has a very good knowledge of social media. If he's a technology, he's very good in technology. So then you can say he's a tech savvy. He's a tech savvy. He can fix any computer. He's a savvy businessman. He's a savvy businessman means who know how to get the better deals. He's a savvy businessman. Okay, suppose Varun, I'm taking your example because I know Varun. Varun is in a banking sector. Okay,
Yeah.
and Varun knows how to attract the customers to get ये FDs और जो भी काम होता है, ठीक है? So now
Yeah.
his boss will say, Varun is a savvy employee. Varun is a savvy employee of my bank because he knows how to attract the customers.
That's madam.
सो यहाँ पर savvy का मतलब क्या हुआ वरुण? What does it the meaning of savvy?
Uh,
Who has a good understanding,
good understanding.
who
Yeah,
has a skill set, who has a skill set, who is
yeah,
very smart. Guys, have you
smart.
heard the word street smart? Street smart word सुना है कभी?
It's
क्या होता है
Yes.
प्रशांत? क्या होता है word? मतलब street smart. Have you heard this word street smart? इस दुनिया में रहते हो, कहाँ रहते हो गाइस तुम लोग? ऑफिस के अलावा भी एक लाइफ है। स्ट्रीट स्मार्ट आजकल कहते ही नहीं है अपने बच्चों को। हम कहते हैं कि गाइस डोंट बी अ बुक वॉर्म। बुक वॉर्म वर्ड सुना है? बुक वॉर्म क्या होता है? क्या? अच्छा,
Yes,
विनय
ma'am.
हैज लिसन। विनय, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ बुक वॉर्म?
किताबी कीड़ा।
किताबी कीड़ा।
Yes.
बच्चों को कहते हैं ना, भैया किताबी कीड़ा मत बनो, डोंट बी अ बुक।
ऐसा तो होता ही नहीं मैम आज के टाइम में।
हाँ, सब होते हैं। डोंट बी अ बुक वॉर्म, बी अ स्ट्रीट स्मार्ट। स्ट्रीट स्मार्ट का मतलब होता है गाइस कि वॉट एवर द सिचुएशन इज कमिंग, ही और शी शुड बी एबल टू हैंडल। स्मार्ट आजकल कहते हैं कि बी द स्मार्ट। स्मार्ट मतलब गाइस ये नहीं होता कि जाके पार्लर से तैयार होके आगे जेल लगवा लिया है, स्मार्ट से फिटिंग। नो, दैट इज नॉट द स्मार्टनेस, दैट इज अ फिजिकल अपीयरेंस। स्मार्टनेस शुड बी फ्रॉम योर माइंड।
Fine.
So street smart, you should be the street smart. So street smart means you should be the savvy personality. Good sense of common sense. How to interact. How to interact with the people. Not always with the English. Sometimes I have seen lot of orators who are very good in their native language, but still he has that personality and that he or she can attract the people. So savvy. So savvy means a skill set, smart, common sense, good practical understanding. That person is a savvy person. Okay? Clear?
Yeah.
Yes.
He's a savvy businessman. Businessman can be savvy. Matlab who is skilled, who is great in his or her profession. That is a savvy personality.
When we say savvy, we don't need to define the other quality or something like that. Let's say he's the market expert, he's the sale expert. We don't need to mention that.
Yeah, Prashant, then you can say, na, he is a savvy sales expert. He's a savvy
Okay.
sales expert. You can say. So it means he is a person who has a very better understanding of his field.
Okay, got it.
Okay, so then you can say. Or if you don't want to use the savvy salesperson, so then you have to mention he is a savvy person who knows how to get the sales, how to
Attract
deal with the
customers.
sales,
Yeah,
attract the sales. So then you
Yep.
have to mention. Either you have to mention here or either you have to mention later. But then you have to
Yeah.
mention.
Got it.
He's a savvy coach. He's a savvy coach.
He's a savvy coach.
Who knows how to teach,
Coach.
or how to
Yeah.
coach her student.
Ma'am, sorry,
हाँ.
it was an urgent call, so that's why मैं disconnect हो गई थी.
Okay. Smrita, we are just discussing about the savvy. Savvy
Okay, ma'am.
means a person who has a good understanding, practical understanding, who is very smart, who has a great sense of humor, common sense. That person is a savvy person.
Okay, ma'am.
Skillful person.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Amitabh Bachchan is known for his savvy acting skills. Amitabh Bachchan, देखो, savvy means describing someone smart or skilled. So Amitabh Bachchan is known for his savvy acting skills. हम क्या बोलते हैं if I don't know this word savvy? So Shikha, what the word we will use?
Swami Vivekananda was a savvy personality who knows how to control the critical situation.
Very nice. Excellent, Shikha. Shikha, you are associated with this because always you make very different sentences. What's your profession, Shikha?
Ma'am, I am a teacher.
Acha, you are a teacher. Okay, very nice. You should. Okay, so now, but I'm asking, dear, if I don't know this word savvy, so instead of savvy, Mona, क्या word use करते हैं हम? Amitabh Bachchan is known for his excellent acting skills. Simple, हम यही word use करते हैं. Amitabh
Yes,
Bachchan is known for his excellent acting skills. But it is very basic. It is very basic, my dear students. So that's why you are here for this session. Instead of excellent, you have to use savvy. Savvy acting skills. She is a savvy coach who knows how to attract the customers or the students. Suppose you are on a sales. Suppose you are on a sales. Okay, suppose you are on a sales. You have to complete your target. So, and you are able to achieve your target. So then you can say, your boss will say, oh my God, she is a savvy person who knows how to generate more and more revenue.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, Parneet, Mona, Kunal, make one sentence, guys.
I have seen a lot of personalities on social media who are savvy by nature.
Who are savvy by nature. Very nice, very nice. Okay, yes. Speak. Simple. Mona, try to make.
Yes, ma'am. Mahendra Singh Dhoni is a savvy batsman who knows about cricket match.
Okay, who knows about the cricket match? Very good. Okay, she is a very savvy investor. Okay, Prem Singh. Prem Singh, don't use very. She is a savvy investor. She is a savvy investor. Smrita.
Ma'am, Komal ma'am is savvy instructor.
Hi, you really made my day. Okay, very nice. Okay, yes, Varun.
Yes, ma'am. My younger brother is a savvy person because he he knows he knows all exercise of gym.
My younger brother is a savvy person because he knows
He knows all
he knows
exercises
exercise in a better way. He knows all the gym exercise in a proper way. In a
properly. Yeah.
proper way. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, Vinay, Shikha, Prashant.
My friend has a savvy. My friend is savvy because he know the market strategy.
My friend is a savvy marketer. Simple भी
Okay.
बोल सकते हो. My
Okay.
friend is a savvy marketing personality. That you can also say.
Okay.
Okay, Vinay.
Yeah, one should be finance savvy to achieve their financial goals.
Repeat again, Vinay.
One should be finance savvy to achieve their financial goals.
Okay, excellent. Very nice, very nice. Shikha.
Ma'am, I have already told.
Acha, okay, Vivekanand. Yes. Okay, very nice, very nice. So the fourth word is savvy. Savvy. Smart, skilled, good understanding. Okay, what is this word? Findish.
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 Findish means very unpleasant, cruel, clever, tricky, and complicated. Cruel, unpleasant, clever, tricky. Matlab that is in a very devil way, in a very negative way. Findish. She has a very, we can say the clever smile. Clever smile. So we can say she has a findish smile. Findish. I came up with a findish plan. I came up with a clever plan. मेरे पास एक plan है and that plan was very cruel. very clever. अच्छा नहीं है. This word comes in a very negative way. Okay, findish.
Most of the time, the people say he is very clever, so we can say he's findish.
He's findish.
Okay.
But it's in a negative sense, Prashant.
Yeah, yeah.
Because clever sometimes can be used in different way. Your smile. Suppose you are a very cunning smile. Suppose you are a cunning smile, but there is something fishy is going on into your mind. Okay, and you are smiling. You are smiling. भाई कुछ तो गड़बड़ करके आया हूँ. So then you can say your smile seems to be little fiendish. So your smile seems to be little fiendish. वो कहते हैं ना कुछ तो गड़बड़ है दया. CID अगर देखते होंगे तो अब आई एम नॉट श्योर कि तुम लोगों को टाइम भी मिलता है कुछ देखने का तो वो बोलते हैं ना सो देन इफ देयर इज समथिंग फिशी सो देन यू कैन से फिंडिश this math these two examples you can easily relate, so that's why I have written these two more examples. This math puzzle is fiendish. मतलब this math puzzle is फिंडिश. यहाँ पर फिंडिश का क्या मतलब है? दिस मैथ पजल इज ट्रिकी. ट्रिकी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. यस, देखो ना यहाँ पर वर्ड लिखा है ना, ट्रिकी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. ओके, so then if you are saying that this math puzzle is very tricky, so then you can say instead of use tricky, because tricky is a very simple word, you can say this math puzzle is fiendish. I cannot solve it. I cannot solve it. Okay, and I have written this example for my grammar students. Some English grammar rules can feel fiendish at first sight. मतलब always the students say कि ma'am, oh my God, there are so many grammar rules. I'm not able to get all the grammar rules. So then you can say some grammar rules can feel fiendish. Can feel fiendish means can feel complicated for me. Can feel complicated, can feel tricky for me at first, पहली बार में, but get easier with the practice. It seems to be fiendish at first go, but by practice we can easily remove. So fiendish. Got it? Fiendish. So fiendish has so many meanings. It means tricky, it means complicated, it means something fishy, something clever. So then you can use this word fiendish. Clear? So what are the 5 words we have learned? Okay, one by one. Let's start with Smrita. Smrita, without seeing your notebook, what the first word is? Enchanting. What is the meaning which you got?
Enchanting relates with nature, beauty, or something beautiful.
Smile. Yes, very good, very good. Parneet, any word without seeing the notebook, any word which is coming into your mind? Savvy. What is the meaning of savvy?
Who knows how to handle the situation, who is understanding,
has a better understanding, or
and who is confident.
Smart. Who is smart, has a good sense of common sense, who is skilled, who has a good skill set. Okay, Varun, any word is coming into your mind?
Yeah, ma'am. Indeletable, ma'am.
Indeletable. Okay, that is a mnemonic. But what is a word?
Indelible, ma'am.
Indelible. What is the meaning?
Don't forget.
Yeah, ma'am. Impossible to forget, ma'am.
Impossible to delete. देखो indelible याद रखा है ना, तो इसी को याद रखो delete से. Impossible to delete.
Impossible to delete.
Impossible to delete. Very good. Mona, any word from your end?
Fiendish. Last.
What is the word?
Fiendish, ma'am. What is a?
Okay, anyone who knows that word?
Last.
Ma'am, fiendish, very unpleasant or tricky.
Fiendish.
Fiendish.
Fiendish means very cruel. मतलब cruel in the sense very clever, fishy, tricky, complicated. So then you can use this word fiendish. Fiendish can be used for the plans. Fiendish can be used for any puzzle, for any game, for any theory. So in that case, you can use this word fiendish.
Ma'am, this sentence is this sentence is right. Office atmosphere is fiendish, but I will handle it soon.
Yes, very nice. It's very unpleasant that you can take. He takes a fiendish delight in hurting people. Okay. Mr. Prem, I really would like if you can turn on your camera because you are making such an अच्छा चलो मैं आपसे ही पूछती हूँ. If I want to say, Mr. Prem, can you please switch on your camera because you are making dash sentences. क्या लिखूंगी मैं? What the word I have to fill in this fill up?
Ma'am, once again.
Mr. Prem, you are making, sorry, please turn on your camera because you are making dash sentences.
Enchanting.
Enchanting.
Enchanting sentences, attractive sentences, magical sentences you are making, magical sentences. You cannot use effervescent sentences because effervescent किसके साथ deal करते हैं हम? Effervescent deal with
Personality, ma'am.
personality. Okay, got it?
Yes.
And what is the last word, guys?
Effervescent.
Indish.
Effervescent. And so, guys, this is the topic. Yes, please note down this topic, everyone. What is the topic?
When we change our
When we change our
lives. Lives contribute
more than Sundays.
Sundays. Mondays contribute more than Sundays.
change.
I'm not able to see the topic. When we change our lives, Mondays contribute more than Sunday. What does the meaning of this topic, Smrita? What do you understand by this topic?
Ma'am, I cannot relate, ma'am.
When we change our lives, Mondays contribute.
Okay, Vinay?
May I?
Yes,
Yeah.
please.
When we become effervescent personality, so then when we go to any office or to our work, then we feel our positive energy in ourselves. So our Mondays will become more contributing than Sundays.
Then Sundays, because every time na, जैसे ही मंडे आता है we are trying getting bored. Oh my God, again this is a Monday. But if we change your personality, if you change your atmosphere, anything, if you will be a savvy personality, so definitely you will love to go to spend Monday. Monday means यहाँ पर office है, guys. Monday means office.
Okay.
Okay, so then this is a topic, guys. I am giving you 5 minutes time. What you have to do, you just make one write up. First, note down this topic, everyone. Done? Okay, everyone wants to speak, guys. Now I'm sending you into the breakout room. Okay, for 5 minutes. What you have to do, I'm sending you into two pairs. You just discuss with your partner. Just discuss with your partner and make one write. Only one write-up in which you have to use all the words which we have used in today's session. Sare nahi to at least do, teen, whatever the words you can easily use, but you have to do. Clear this thing? So should I send into the breakout room?
Ma'am, can you show Findish sheet, ma'am?
Findish का मतलब क्या होता है वरुण?
Ma'am, actually,
This is Findish, Varun. Cruel, clever, tricky, complicated. Findish atmosphere हो गया, Findish plan हो गया, Findish puzzle हो गया, Findish talk हो गया. So that is all the Findish. Clear?
yeah. Findish means, ma'am, stuck.
Findish means?
Like stuck.
Stuck nahi, Varun. Findish means that is not pleasant, that is not good. That is tricky, that is complicated. This math puzzle is Findish. मतलब ये बहुत tricky है, मैं नहीं solve कर सकता इसको. The office atmosphere is so Findish. I cannot tolerate this atmosphere. Okay, so that is Findish. Unpleasant, जहाँ पे मजा नहीं आता. Okay, got it?
Yeah, ma'am.
Chalo guys, I am now Okay, only for 5 minutes I'm sending you guys. Who is Dell? I'm not getting you, dear. Okay, guys, please join the room. Varun, join the room.